everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to easily extract decimal value with Kutools for Excel. If you don't like the formula and VBA methods, here I introduce you to a handy tool, Kutools for Excel. With its extract text utility, you can easily extract all decimal values from a range in Excel. Select the range with decimal you want to extract. Click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the text drop-down list and select extract text. In the extract text dialog box, click the extract by rule tab, and in the text box, enter a dot and asterisk and click the add button. Finally, click the OK button. In the popping up extract text dialog box, select a blank cell for locating the result and then click the OK button. Then all decimal values in the selected range are extracted immediately, as you can see. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.